Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In the first video about YouTube, we talked about how to create a channel and customize all its settings. For those who haven't watched it, go watch it. Today I'm bringing you the second video in that video series. If you've ever struggled to write a script that keeps your audience engaged from start to finish, this video is for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your copywriting skills, I'll share my top tips for writing YouTube scripts that grab attention, provide value, and keep viewers coming back. A well-written script is the backbone of any successful YouTube video. It helps you stay organized, get your message across, and engage your audience. Without a script, your video can feel cluttered, unfocused, or boring. But with solid script, you can create polished, professional, and highly engaging content. So, how do you write great script? Let's talk about it step by step. Let's get to the video. Number 1. The structure of a YouTube script. Every great YouTube copy follows a clear structure. Here's a simple framework you can use. Hook, grab your audience's attention right away. Ask a question, share a surprising fact, or tease what's coming up in the video. Introduction. Introduce yourself and the topic of the video. Let viewers know what they'll learn or gain from watching. Main content. This is the main element of your video. Break it down into sections or key points, and use transitions to keep the flow smooth. Call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or check out your links. The outro. End the video, thank viewers for watching, and tease your next video. By following this structure, you'll create scripts that are clear, engaging, and easy to follow. Number 2. Tips for writing engaging scripts. Now that you know the structure, let's talk about how to make your scripts engaging. Write like you talk. Use a conversational tone. Imagine you're talking to a friend, not reading from a script. Keep it simple. Avoid jargon or complicated language. Your goal is to communicate clearly, not sound smart. Use stories and examples. Stories make your content relatable and memorable. For example, instead of just explaining a concept, share a personal story that illustrates it. Add humor or personality. Let your personality shine through. A little humor or wit can go a long way in keeping viewers engaged. Edit ruthlessly. Cut out anything that doesn't add value. Every sentence should serve a purpose. Number 3. Tools to help you write scripts. Writing scripts doesn't have to be hard, especially when you have the right tools. Here are a few tools that can make scriptwriting easier. Google Docs. Great for writing and collaborating with others. Notion. Perfect for organizing your ideas and scripts in one place. Grammarly. Helps you catch grammar mistakes and improve your writing. Trello or Asana. Useful for planning your content calendar and tracking your script progress. Number 4. Common scriptwriting mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes when writing scripts. Here are a few common pitfalls to avoid. Overloading with information. Don't try to cram too much into one video. Focus on one main idea and explore it in depth. Being too formal. YouTube is a casual platform. Avoid sounding like a textbook. Ignoring your audience. Always keep your target audience in mind. What do they care about? What problems can you solve for them? By avoiding these mistakes, you'll create scripts that resonate with your audience and keep them coming back for more. You now know how to write engaging YouTube scripts that keep your audience hooked. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you're going to change about your scriptwriting process? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.